The session is now live. I'm giving back the hosting rights.
Great. Thank you, Ritesh.
Done.
Thanks. Sabha,
Yes.
I'm starting the webinar.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Webinar is started, Sabha. Please take over.
Yeah, let them join. They're coming. Hi, everyone. Good evening. Yep. Good evening, everyone. How are you all? Good to see you all back. I hope so. I'm audible for you. Can I get a quick thumbs up? Come on. Am I audible? Responded in the chat. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. How was the assignment? Slow work, flow. Easy. Done. Without any difficulties. It's not dependent on any other modules, right? It's independent module, isn't it? Yeah, correct. Very basic and direct. Yep, definitely. It was one of the good module. You'd be having around one or two more modules are there for flow builder only, like that. So I don't think so you would be having any questions related to the module which we have done or any challenges you have faced, because that was pretty much simple one, right? Okay, so let's continue working on the building lightning app experience is the one which we have planned for today's session. It's around 3,100 points. So let's begin with that. I'm sharing my screen. I hope so you all can see it. Is my screen is visible? Yes, it's a big module. If we'll complete that, then we'll go to next one also, if the time permits. This one, Lightning App Builder, 3,100 points. Okay. So let's begin with this. We have worked on the Lightning app in the last class as well, where we get to know there are different types of pages we can create: record type, app type, or home type. But we have worked on the record type only. Oh, sorry, app one. We have not explored what are the other types are there, right? So in today's session, we'll be completing all these. Okay, we'll be working on all these one, like where you will build a custom home page, then the record page, and then even the dynamic forms we worked around it, so it would be easy for you. But yeah, how to set the conditions for it, like a filter or any values greater than, less than, or something like that. Then finally the app homepage, and then work with the custom lightning components, how you can add a customized component also to your lightning apps or to your lightning pages. Okay, so this is what the content for today's session which we are going to work around. Let's begin with the first one. Get started with the lightning app builder. Come on everyone, show me a quick thumbs up if you all are on the same page. Okay, let's go ahead then without wasting our time. I got a lot of yes in the chat. Okay, so here something like, so basically we build the lightning, we use the lightning app builder to create the customized pages. You can put all the key information at your fingertips and provide your user with the easy interface to update and add the records. Let me show you. I have my own portal. It's a little different, but yeah, it would be. Let's suppose this is one of the CRM. Whenever a user visits the CRM, you can see the home page over here. So all the basic things, whatever the program and events are there, they are on the portal. Apart from that, we have the attendance login details and everything, login time, logout time. And if I have any message or the task to be completed and all on the home page itself, right? The other things, if I want, I can go to inside it and I can access the other information. So this layout itself, you can even set up for your user as well. And you can decide what are the things needs to be there on the home page, what are the things needs to be there on the menu bar or in the sidebar, and all the action buttons to easily get and use, user can activate, use it basically. Let's suppose, what do you think? So when you will create any app or any page, we have to put the login button. What do you think? So the login button should, where should the, if I'm creating my own customized page, where should we keep the login button? Like a punch in and punch out button, so that the user can punch in when they are starting their work and then do punch out once their work is done. Where ideally it should be there. Any idea? Any guess? Come on. I'm audible for all of you, right? Second screen. Okay. Right hand top. Yep, nice idea, Miss Smita. Right hand top or the home page. As soon as the user login into their account, they should get on the home page itself the punch in button, and yeah, the right hand top. That is the best place to place it. Correct? So it would be easy for the user to quickly punch in, even though I am late. I'm getting late, right? Let's suppose I'm late for today. So what I want to do, I want to quickly go to my dashboard and punch in. if I'll be 1 more minute late, okay, it may ended up marking myself as a late entry or half day or something like that, right? So that to avoid these kind of situation, we should keep the regularly used things, handy things like on the screen on the home page, right? So that the user can easily use it. Other than this, you can keep the count of the leaves or how many leaves do I have it on the home page. So these kind of stuff you will be preferring to keep it on the home page, right? So all these things we can do it easily with the help of Lightning App Builder. Okay. So basically it's a point and the click tool. It helps you to create your customized page for the Salesforce mobile application and even for your Lightning experience also. And you can give the user whatever they needed in the one place altogether. So the things which you can build with the Lightning app builder, it's like single page apps that will drill down into the standard pages or a dashboard style apps such as app to track the sales prospect, key leads for a quarter or something like that with a lot of visuals around it. Or you can even make the point app to solve a particular task for just a dedicated for a single task only. Okay. Even you can make the custom record pages where if you're will open your object and go inside the object, the record page, then you'll get that, or the custom home pages that will mostly contain the components and the feature that your user use very often. Okay. So here is couple of ideas are given. The Lightning page give you different structure, like it can be adaptive, adapts easily for all the device. It's a device friendly thing. Like if you are viewing on the monitor on your tablet, landscape view or the portrait view, or even in the cell phone, it will work for you. Okay. When we talk about the Lightning app builder, it comes with some standard components. Okay, that is built by the Salesforce. Again, you have the next option, custom components, that you or somebody else have created and you're just using that as a template and you can work around it. And even you can add third party components on App Exchange from the App Exchange as well. Okay, so App Exchange is nothing but a marketplace from where you can add the Lightning components. You can even find any component and it's ready to use, basically. Okay. The user interface, we have already worked around it. So when we talk about the user interface over here, on the top here, you'll get the name of your page on which you're working. In the next menu bar, here you'll get the undo, redo options available for you for copy pasting as well. From here, you can change your view. Either you can go create the app for the desktop view, or you can make it for the tablet view. We have tried the tablet view last class. Then here you'll get the list of all the components which you can use it into your Lightning app page. It can be standard component. It can be the customized component. The standard components comes at the top. The customized comes at the bottom of the list. And you have the search option also available in order to search any component with their name if you know specifically. This is your workspace area. Whatever you will see here, the same thing as it is will reflect to your customers, to your users also. Let's suppose I have added a list over here, right? So here, if you click on it, whatever the component is selected, the properties will reflect on the left panel over right panel over here. You can see all the properties here in details. You can play around the properties, change their appearance, add the object, remove the field, add the filter, whatever you want. Then finally, once you're done with building your own page, you have the option to save it on the right top, and then you can even activate your page. Okay. Are we all done till here? Like clear? Is it clear? Any question? Okay, fine. So we have one challenge given over here, which we can work around it. Oh, we have a quiz. Fine. So come on, everyone, answer the quiz and let me know your scores. 100. Oh, the questions are very easy, right? What is lightning page? What can you build? Okay, pretty much simple. 100. So the next 5 activities are there, 5 challenges are there, 6 challenges are there for us waiting. Easy. Okay, so let's go ahead. Build a custom home page for the Lightning experience. Let's start with it. So we'll try to make the custom home page. Like here is the example is given for the sales home page, how it is appearing here, or how we can change it. Okay. I'm just going to the challenge here. Let's see what they're asking us to do, which kind of homepage they want us to work around. So they are asking us to create a custom homepage that includes the quarterly performance summary and the important updates on the critical task and opportunity. Okay, they want the summary and updates on the task and opportunities. 2 things we have to keep it in our mind. Okay, so let's create the Lightning app page. Launch it. Come on, everyone. How should I open the Lightning app builder? Where should we go? Come on. Set up quick find Lightning app builder. Correct. Okay. Let's go to the setup, the gear icon. So far, you should know where is it set up. In the quick find here itself, will not go to object manager. We'll work on the quick find and search for Lightning. Wait a minute. App builder. So you will get this Lightning app builder use under the user interface option. Oh, wait a minute. I launched the demo. I should work in the cohort one. Okay. Setup. App builder. You must be having couple of pages already. Okay. We have to make a new one. In order to create the new app, we click on this new button. Come on, everyone. Press the new button. What should be the type? App page, home page, or record page? What they're asking us to make. No, it's not app page. Create a custom home page. Home page. Okay. So we are making the home page. Like whenever the user will open their application or their object or the application most of the time, what should be the home page? Scroll down. home page. So home page, we'll select next. Copy the name. We are making the sales home page. So the same name. Then next. No. Oh, okay. Here they have mentioned create a lightning app page. Okay. But in the question, they have mentioned custom home page. And at the same time, the type also they have mentioned it should be the home page. So it should be home page. Yeah, it's a little confusing because of this slide. Makes sense. So we'll name it as a sales home. Next, which kind of page we want? Standard home page, 3 region, 2 region. We want the standard home page from the templates. If you have any custom one, you can select that one also from the third party or created by someone that can or you can use it, or even you can clone the Salesforce default pages. So Salesforce also have their own default page layout. You can clone that as well. But we are going for the standard homepage as requested. And you can see this is only compatible with the desktop. It will not work on the cell phone. If you want to create the homepage which should work on both the things well, you should go for homepage header and 2 columns left sidebar. All these are compatible with the desktop only, not with the cell phone. Okay, so standard homepage done. You'll get the same interface. I hope so we all are on the same page. Okay. Let's go ahead now. The next step which we are going to do here, as they're asking us, the sales home should be the API. Just look into this. Label is sales home, correct? Sales home, the API name, that is also again correct. So no need to worry about it. Right now the page is selected. You can see here the desktop option is only coming. When we click here, we will not get the tablet view because this layout is compatible with the desktop only, not for the tablets or the cell phone at all. That's the reason. Now they want us to add couple of components to this page, such as performance, assistant, today's task, and key dates. So let's search for performance. So we have the performance metrics completely. Drag and drop it. So it shows the quarterly performance. The name is already there, quarterly performance, and the layout. Assistant. Okay. Then today's task and key deals. You can place it anywhere. It's not compulsory to put the thing on the right, left column or something like that. Key deals. What are the deals are there? It's a metrics again. Fine. So we added the 4 component. The first one is performance. Second one is task. That will show all the tasks, whatever is assigned to me. We are working on the home page, so it's a good thing, right? Then assistant. Okay. Then the last one is the key deals, recent opportunities, whatever is added to the system. That will reflect on the sales page. Pretty much good. Okay. If you are not able to find the position status, position title, then update your pick list. You can update your pick list also. Whatever the pick list you have it, go to that object and edit it and add the new items to it. You might have missed that thing. That's the reason. Finally, they are asking us to activate the page only for the sales profile, right? So click on save on the right top, everyone. Activate it. Org default, no. App and profile default. So we have to do it for app. Assignment is sales and the profile is custom sales profile. So app and profile specific, we are trying to make it. Okay. Assign to app and profile. The app name is sales. Next, from the sales custom sales profile, we want to assign. Okay. Next. So this should be your summary. This home page will be available only for the sales app. Makes sense. To see this changes, you have to log in as a custom sales profile user. Then only you'll be able to see the changes. That's it. The system default is a page type which we selected, and the page name is sales home. Have you all done till here? Thumbs up. Save it, check for challenge. You'll get your 500 points. You have successfully built your first home page for your sales app. 500 points. Yes? Okay. Good. Done, done, done. Okay. You will not get a badge, but yeah, you'll get some points. Now we have made the home page. I have logged in as the Salesforce custom Salesforce profile. I'm able to see my home page. Now through the home page, I'm going inside any object. Like even when we go to the, let's suppose this is the sales home page, the changes will not reflect here because we are not joining as a sales profile. We have logged in as an admin. So if I go to the opportunities, inside the opportunities, I'm going inside the record. Now here, this page is reflecting as I have one related activity task over here, details page here, the chatted here, and the related list is coming on the right side. This is what I have, the opportunities record page. It is not the home page, it is the record page. Inside the record, once I go, what you can see. I have some action buttons over here on the right top. Other than that, it is showing the level of on which level my opportunity is, like it's prospecting or qualification or on ID decision maker or something like that. Okay. You can even mark the stage as completed here that this is done. So once it's done, we'll go forward to the next. Finally, you will close the opportunity. It's like that. So it's all about the record page, how it should be looking for us. Usually what happens most of the time, the chatter comes to here, okay, and the related comes to here before the activity page. Most probably we are going to create this kind of record page only, where the first step would be related, then activity, then details, and the chatter will go inside a completely different section. Okay, so let's come back to here. Yes. So the same thing is shown over here also. Like you can even customize your record page. The process is same. You will go to app builder, click on new, but the type you will select, that is going to be record type. Okay. Let me see if they're asking record page in accounts. Okay. They're asking us to update it for the account object. Fine. Let's work around it. So they're asking to create a lightning page. The type is going to be record type, and the name is going to be new account page. It's on account object. When we create the record page, you have to even mention it's a record page for which object. It will be for the contact or for the accounts or for the opportunity, sales, which one. So we are making it for the account here. Let's try to create it. Click on the pages on the top in your sales home. Click on new page, everyone. You all are able to get this option. Pages, new page. Yes. Select this one. Okay. Record page we are making, right? So it should be the record page, which will show the record details. The label is new account page. Object is account. Okay. Done. Next, which kind of page you wanted? I want the header and right sider. So this is something how it comes. We have the header and then we have the right sider over here. Okay, done. You'll get the same layout. Header, components, right siders. Okay, now highlight span and tab. We have to add it. Oh, you have done it? Fine. Repeat the steps. What did I have done? Oh, it kicked me out. Fine. In the Lightning App Builder, we press the new button. We select your record page. Next, we put the label here, new account page. Select the object as account and then next. And we select header and right sider as the type layout for the template. Done. You're able to get it, ma'am? Miss Mamta? The label is already given, ma'am. New account page. And just new N capital, account A capital, page P capital. You can see here. API name will be also same with the underscores. Okay. Account is object is account. Okay. Add standard components like highlights panel and tabs. Let's search for highlights. I'll keep the highlights on the top here. So in the highlights, it will show me the type, the phone number, website, account owner name, and everything. Okay. The next thing, after highlights, I'll just add a tabs. So tab is empty, but you can choose what you want to show inside. Like, as I told you, related is there and the details is there. So in the related, we have to add a related list. In the details, we have to add a detail list. If you want, you can add a new tab also, the third one, to display some additional information. Okay. So it's like empty tabs right now you have it. Now let's search. Yes, update the tab, add activity tab. Okay, and all this thing. What we have to do, we have only two tabs. Click on this component. It should get blue highlighted around so that you will get the details of the same on the right top of your screen like this. I am on the page under the tab section. It has two tabs right now. Related, details. I'll click on the third one, add tab. It will add the same one again, details, but I don't want to name it as a detail. I'll rename it. Click on the name, change it to activities. It's not alphabetically arranged, unfortunately. Yes, activity. Done. So we want it to be like this. You can see related, details, and activity. 3 tabs should be there. Done till here, everyone? What about others? Okay. Okay, fine. Done, 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 done. Okay, good to see it. Now, all the things are empty. Let's add the things in it. It is showing us, right? Add components here. I'm on the related. First, I'm selecting the related here. You should get blue line under it. Then you can add something here. So under the related, I want to add a related list, which will show me what are the things like opportunities, contacts, or other objects are related to my account. So related list. Drag it, drop it here. You will get the thing turn into green automatically. Once it turns green, then only leave it. So it is showing me that I have 3 opportunities related to the single account, this account. I have 1 contact also related to it. Other things, I don't have anything else related to this. Pretty much good. Now, let's go to the next tab. We click on the details here. Okay. I click here. On the details, I will add the record detail. Record details. Whatever the details are there related to this record, it will appear here. So I have the name and everything. The field, most of the time, whatever we added in the account object, it reflects here. Finally, the activity should hold all the activities, whatever is there on this record. So I don't have anything in the activity. And it is telling supported only the desktop form. Yeah, we are making it for desktop only. So no need to worry. So check out everyone. You should have some data under each tab. It should not be empty. Related should have the related list. Details should have the details list. Activity should have the activities over here. Show me a thumbs up once you're done from here. Yes, Mr. Manjesh, the lucky winners those who are regular and completing their entire trial head, the trial mix which we have started, they would be eligible to get the voucher. Okay. So this is all about the tabs. Let's see what they are asking us the last thing to add. Oh, activate, fine. Probably they will ask us to split it and keep it here in the last one. Fine. Activate a page, assign it to the org default and make it available for both desktop and phone user. Let's try it out. Save, activate, org default only, assign as org default. So everybody will get the same record page, right? We want it for the desktop and phone for both the things, if possible. Okay. Next, the details page will come for you like this. Like for the desktop, system default, both are system default only. The page name is new account page. Save it, check for challenge, you should get the point. You all got the points? Oh, you have to complete the entire trial mix, like including super batches as well. Now let's see the front one. We have worked on the account, right? Accounts. I'll go inside any record. Is it coming similar? No, it's not. Refresh. Yep, it got updated. I'm getting related, details, activity. I don't have chatter anymore here. Chatter was there earlier. And I was having one thing here also. It get disappeared. This is the thing which we added. We are getting the same thing. Highlights. One is showing me the highlight things here. The related is showing me all the related thing to this. You might be having any related opportunity. You might be not having it. Fine. So it's working for us. You all are able to get the similar thing, similar interface, like whatever the thing you have done on the lightning page. This time it is system default for everyone, or default, sorry. So we can also check it out. Give a try, check out. Is it working for you or not? For the account record, we have done it. So go to the account record, you will be able to see it. It's okay, Miss Swati, what thing you missed on? And Miss Sanjana, the new changes are reflecting, right? In the gene point, 4 opportunities I'm having. Perfect. Let's move on to the next one. Get started with the dynamic forms. How we can add a dynamic forms into this. Okay. Basically, the dynamic forms help you to break the record details. Right now, you have this details page here, right? Details. I feel so that the annual revenue should not be visible for one profile and it should be visible for the another profile, or only the potential value should not be visible or anything. On the field level, I want to show or hide the thing. So how we can do the changes on the field level? So most of the time, the dynamic form is useful to break down your details list, and you can customize it as per the you can customize this view as per the profiles, as per the apps, and even you can make it to the org default. Not an issue with that. Like I thought, there's no need to show the SIC code or anything. Like I don't think so. It's required for my other employees to know about the tracker symbol or their website information. So I can just completely delete it from here. So it would be deleted from the Lightning page only, but in the backend, the database would be there. The field will be there. So how to do that? That we are going to discuss here. Uh, yep. So let's try to first of all activate the dynamic forms. In order to activate it, it's not activated by default. You need to click on the list. I'm in the details right now. And I click on the details list. The details list get highlighted for me. And on the right side in the properties section, you will get this option to upgrade, where you can upgrade it to the dynamic forms and start putting the individual field and section anywhere on the page. Okay. So let's try to upgrade it now. Next. Oh, where it should come, I want it to show on the account layout. Finish. Now you can see I can individually select these fields, delete it, or even move it up, down, anywhere. Or keep it separately, like the phone information, I want to keep it here completely in a different container. That can be also done. So it will allow me to play with the fields individually. Oh, you close the previous one. Why? Don't close it, I'll suggest. It was saved, by the way. Go to your setup. We are going to work on the Lightning app builder today a lot, so don't close it. Search for app builder here. Lightning app builder. Click on the edit button for the custom account page, which you created right now. Custom account. No, sorry. It's a new account page. Where is the new? Yeah, here we go. New account page, edit this. Whatever the new pages you're making, whether it's a home page, record page, or any page, it comes under the app builder. Okay. So go to here, new account page. Come on. Click on the edit button. It will take you in. The same interface will come for you. Then you need to go to details. Click on this related details list and enable the updated to the dynamic forms. I hope so you're able to access it now. Miss Meghna. I'll show you the timetable for this cohort at the end of the meeting today as well. So you'll get to know. This is the last week where we have mine looks different. Why it looks different to you? Because I upgraded it to the dynamic form. You upgraded it to the dynamic forms or not? Are you sure you're in the new account page only? Check out the name. If you completed the previous level, then it should be like this only for you. Mm, Dynamic for the layout. No, once you click here, you will get the activation button, upgrade button here. Like once you click on this element here, right? Once you select this, here upgrade to dynamic forms will come. So you have to upgrade it. You all are able to get the same thing or not? Check your name first. Are you in the new account page or not? Okay, let me see. Yes, done now. Yes, account layout. You're activating it. Okay. Account layout. It should be account layout. The first option. Done? Miss Swati, are you on the same page as I am right now? Like at least you are in new account page. Are you getting the same name here? Yes or no? Yes. Good. Click on the details here. And then try to select the details list. You should get no, I won't be able to select only one item at a time right now. Fine. try to select the details list here. Here you should get page, and then the next thing which comes here, it's details list. Okay. If you're getting same thing, then ma'am, you will get a button here, upgrade to dynamic forms. Okay. So you have to select that. Done, ma'am. You're able to get it, upgrade to dynamic form, Miss Swati. Just click on it, select upgrade, and then you can simply choose there like what you want it to do. Is it working? Uh-huh. Done. Now they are asking us after upgrading to this, yeah, each and every field would be editable. Yeah, we know it is editable now. So we can shuffle it and everything. So let's see. Okay. So they are asking us to add more information tab, and then we have to start moving the things to the more information tab. Fine. So select the tabs, click here. You should be in page and then tabs. Okay. First, you need to click on the top. I'm not inside the tab. I have selected all the tabs together. So I can see related, details, activity. I'll just add a new tab. The name will come as a details. By default, we click on it and we have to add here more activities. So more activities is not there anything as such. So you need to click on custom. We are not making any standard tab. We are trying to make a custom tab. So select custom and write the name here. Oh, more information. Sorry. Fine. I don't think so. We have more information by default. We'll have to make it custom only. Fine. Custom. More information. Minimize the screen size, otherwise you will not get the OK button. Done. You will get the done button on the bottom. Oh, come on. Custom. Paste the name. Press on this done button. My screen size is little small, so the done button won't appear on the screen. Minimize the screen. I just set the screen size to 80, so I can see this done button. Now I have 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more activities here. Okay. Let me try to keep it here. Is this wider? No. The size is almost same. I thought that's wider than it. I'm getting more activities in the more sections here. Are you all done till here? Okay, what I have done, I have selected the tab here, the entire tab. Okay, so here you will get page and then tab. You are in the tab. You will click on add a tab, select custom option there. We have to try to create a custom object. So add a tab here, change the name, select custom here, paste the name, more information, and click on the done button. That's it. You're able to do it now? Mr. Sangamesh? Okay, fine. I'll not add this. I'll even delete this one. I don't want it. Fine. So now what you have to do, you have to just drag and drop the thing. I'll suggest you do one thing. Additional information, system information, and description. Fine. So if you scroll it down here, we have the additional information. Drag it. Okay. You have the drag button, drag it, and keep it here for a while. Additional information. The next one which I want, it is the system information. Okay. So the system information also, I'll drag it and drop it here for a while. And description information. Yeah, description information. I'm just keeping them here. Fine. So I got all the three things here. Additional system description. Come on, everyone, do till here. Under your details tab, you have all the information there. Just keep it here. Additional system and description. On the right, empty one. Done till here? Done? Okay. Now let's simply open your in more information tab. This tab is already empty, right? Just drag the things and drop it there. Additional information comes here. Done? System information comes under it. Okay? Description information come at the end. So that empty space helped us a lot. Wait, why you are open here? Let me try. Place it again. No, here. Perfect. So all the three informations will come on the more information tab. You all are able to do it? Done? It's easy, right? Now, apart from this, what they're asking us to do, do they want us to save it and activate it? Let's see. Yeah, we have to now remove it facts, SLA expiration, and record details. Mobile component should not be present on the page. We have to remove these fields. Fine. Facts is there. All these things you'll get it on the details tab. So go to details tab. You have facts here. Click on the facts. Facts deleted. Come on, everyone. Under the account information, you have the facts option. Delete this. I've deleted the facts. Let's see where we have SL expiration. I'll just search for SLA expiration. Yeah, SLA expiration date. Yeah, and additional information, we have it here. Okay. Is it allowing you to delete the SLA expiration? For me, it's not working right now. Okay, we missed one small tiny step. Enable dynamic forms on the mobile. We have to enable this thing. Fine, let's do it. Open a new tab here. In the setup, you have mobile app settings, if I'm not wrong. Salesforce settings. No. We have to just enable it there. The first thing, that was a small checkbox which you have to check on in order to enable it. In your data, it must be there. You cannot say it's not there without, it's a default one. It's not the customized, it's a default one. So it must be there for you. Okay. Mm, okay. Yeah, in mobile app only we get it. Mobile apps. Come on, Salesforce. We have Salesforce mobile app. Why we are not getting Salesforce mobile? Oh yeah, not Salesforce mobile app. And it's disabled here. Dynamic forms on mobile. Disactivated. What you have to do on the home, search for mobile. Here you have the Salesforce mobile app, correct? Under the Salesforce mobile app, you have to enable this thing for the mobile phone. Just enable it here. It's disabled by default. So the dynamic forms won't work on mobile by default. More information tab, you added right manually. If you have not added that thing, then it will not reflect. You have added it or not? That's a question for you. Whether you added that thing or not. Done? And are you all done till here? Like, this is the main thing which we missed at the beginning to update the home. Yeah. Done? Okay. Let's go and refresh this page. Just save the changes, whatever you have done right now, and just refresh it. It should help you to now delete the SLA expiration as well. Details, down, SLA expiration. It's saved right here. Yep. Okay, let's go out and come in. Other than what we have to do, we just missed the small tiny step. Yes, Miss Vaishnavi. Mr. Raja, we are able to find it, but it's not editable. But now, as I have enabled it, I'm expecting it to be editable. Like I can. No. I have done this thing here. We have enabled this. Remove the record detail mobile component from your record page. We have enabled it already. Yeah, this thing is enabled already. What? Dynamic forms in mobile. Yeah, it's enabled. Let me remove the third item. Record detail. Mobile component from the record page. Fine. So what is this? Record detail should not be present on the page. Okay, record details. Where do we added them? The activities. Details. Field section. Address section. Record detail mobile. I should delete the entire thing. No. We wanted. Okay. I don't think so. We have the SLA expiration date here only. You can see SLA expiration date. It's not on the more information. Is it? You have SLA serial number there. Nope. Description information, system information, and additional information. Oh, here also we have SLA expiration. Okay. There are two of them. One SLA expiration is there here and the other one is there. Fine. Just delete this SLA expiration from the additional information. And one more thing, go to your details page, delete this entire thingy. This is your record details component, and this component will not work on the cell phone. So you have to delete this entire thingy. Okay. Save it, check for challenge. It should work for you. Attendance are, wait, your attendance, it's marked based on your duration spent in the session. So when you join the meeting with your registered email address, correct? So it will be marked based on that. And I hope so you all are joining with your registered email address only, which you have registered for. Because the link is sent on that only. Right? How you not created this more information tab? We created it all together. You don't have it? More information one? No, we have not deleted the more information tab. Undo it. You have the undo option. We deleted additional information. Both the things are different. This one. Undo it. In the details page, on the details section, all the way down, there was a small box was coming. Challenge done. Yes, Miss Meghna and Mr. Venkatesh. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see if I'll do undo. Yeah. You too have to delete this thing. This account owner. This is the record detail. You can see record detail mobile one. And this thing you have to delete it. This one. You don't have to delete the tab. If you deleted this thing, look, we have this on the details tab. It is not more information tab at all. You should have here more information separate. It's a different thing, completely different thing. What you named it? Did you named it as a more information, M capital, I capital, or you named it something else? Just check the API name for it. If you have done any mistake, just correct it out. And in the details page, you have to delete this section. Fine. No, only in the session here. Mr. Abhay. Fax is in the details account information. Under the phone, you are having the fax option here somewhere. Okay, Mr. Akul. Usually the activation step should be done first, but I missed it a little. That's the reason we have done in between. Okay. But you should go first on the setup and simply search for the mobile apps, right? Salesforce mobile, and activate your dynamic forms for the uh, mobile as well. That part should be enabled. By default, it's disabled. Able to get the scores? Got it. Got it done. Nice. Mr. Akul, the more information tab, you want to me to show you how to make it, or you want to just see what are the things that are available on more information? Like on my more information, I have additional information, I have the system information, I have the description information. Yeah. Okay. Under the option of additional information, you will get here SLA. SLA date will be there. Expiration date. SLA expiration date. Yeah. In additional information, that thing you have to delete. You have to delete that part. Done. They are not in the one group box. They are different. Like you can attach them like this. One. They three are independent. They are different groups. You just place them one under another. The order can be anything. It's fine. It's not compulsory to go for additional first, system, second, description, third. The order can be anything. Okay. No, you cannot. What is the error is coming? Can you put the error message in the chat? description information section. Okay, fine. Mr. Akul, in the more information tab, we can't find a description information section. Fine. So you must be missing on, look, you have additional, right? System. You're missing on this third one. Check out for this guy. Description information. You don't have this. Go to the details. It must be there on the detail. Okay, wait. You added it here like this. Then it go as a separate thing. It is not a part of a tab. Okay. Look, if I change the tab, I just come to the activity tab. Let's suppose I can still see the description information, right? That means I'm on activity. Description should not be visible here because it's a part of a tab. Which tab? More information tab. You just need to move it up in the more information. You must have kept it under it, not inside it. It should be inside the more information. That is the only thing which you're missing on. Okay, just drag it up and keep it inside the tab. So if you're switching the tabs, this information should not be visible anymore for you. No, they are not. If they would be, then it would have worked for you. Look. I can also raise the same bug which you are getting. Look, I placed it out of the information tab. I'll just save it. In the details, Mr. Muzammil, you have to work around. Look, if you close the tab, you can see you are having one extra tab here under address information. One big tab will be there without any heading, name and everything will be coming there. You have to delete that thing, that extra part. On the details, you should have only two things. If you can see anything extra under it, just delete that. And it works in both. Wait, I just saved this one and I'll get also the same error which you are getting, Mr. Rakul. Save, done. Let me check for the error. Description, information, check for challenge. In more information tab, we cannot find description information section. Are you also getting the same thing? Right? It's the same error which you are also getting. Really? Copy paste won't work? This is what the error you're also getting, right? Okay, let me see. All the way down. MORE information. Yeah, they are in. Can you show me the API name for more information, sir? DESCRIPTIO. Just click on the name on just click on more information tab like this and check out its name information like this. Is it coming same? Custom. It's custom. Come on. The order, related details, activity, more information. Yep. In just tell me one thing, sir. Earlier, did you named it something wrong and then you corrected it afterward? Or from the beginning only it's this only? It was this only from the beginning, sir, or no. I saw that image, but I'm just asking that you might have done some spelling mistake or something and then you updated it. That's what my question for you, sir. Like earlier you put the I small lowercase and then when you saw that it should be uppercase, so after saving it you updated it to uppercase. It is like that, or from the beginning only you have done it this? Okay, you copied it from the description also. Look, same. There's no extra space at the end like this or something. Just keep your cursor check out there at the end, at the beginning. Oh, you got it? Fine. It took a time to update it. That's the reason. Wow. Okay. Fine. Nice. Uh, reset the on this only forward. Rules for the dynamic page. Now here you can set the rules as well, whether it should be visible for which profile or greater than, less than, or something like that. Okay. So here, so basically we are, I hope so the first two units, whatever modules you have done, it's there for you. Because if you have done the first two, then only you can do this third one. All these are dependent on each other. So what they're asking for us to make the, if let's suppose if my lead is in the additional information, oh sorry, in the details page, when the rating is hot, then I want to show it on the screen. A message box should come here. It's a hot lead or something like that. Okay. So it's dependent on the rating. If rating is equals to hot, then only show the text box. That's you have to do. So the visibility of the first component is dependent on the value of another field here. That's we are going to try now. Okay. Yeah, like $1 million opportunity closed, something like that. It's a text box which you can make it appear or disappear based on the condition. So just search for here rich text. Take the text box here. It's empty. Copy and paste the message as it is. Hot account, everything in uppercase. Keep it here. Okay. You can play with it if you want, like play with the color, size, and all the thing, but don't change the text. I'm just making it bigger. Hard account, center, bold. Seems good. Done till here, everyone? I searched here for a rich text. I updated this component into the third section. Then copy paste this HOT account, everything in caps. Copy the things, okay? You can play with the designing part, but don't play with the text. Otherwise, it will give you error. Record field rating equals to hot. Yeah. Here you have filter. So this option will help you to add a filter to make it display or hide based on the condition. And here we have the filter based on the rating. When it is hot, then only show itself. So let's do it. Add filter. It's related to the field record or device or what. So I wanted to do it for the record field. The field ID is nothing but the rating. Rating equals to what? I'll just, yeah, rating equals to hot. Yeah, it's a pick list, by the way. So you'll get all the options from the pick list. Rating is hot, warm, cold. So I want to do it for the hot rating. So when the rating equals to hot, you need to done it. Press the done button here. Come on, everyone. Save it, check for challenge. You should get 500 points. You all are able to access it? Done? Oh, yes. Here, search for rich text. Drag it and drop it here. I'm doing it again. Copy and paste the message, hot account. We click on filter. We select rating. The field name is rating equals to hot and done. Simple. You're able to do it? Done? Yes. Fine. No, not the prospect one, only the rating. How come you have prospect? No, we all have rating only. It's a default object. And it is a default field also. It's done. Okay, fine. Then go for the prospect one if you're able to do it with the prospect also. But they are showing it should be rating. Save it. Don't forget to save it. Okay. You can see as we applied the filter here, it is showing me the eye icon that it's based on the filter. Okay. Save it. Check for challenge. You'll get your points. You all able to get your points? Okay. Now let's see this one. Okay, this is very cool. I like it. Fine. Go for prospect rating. If you have the prospect rating and it's working for most of them, so it should work for you also. Give a try. No pick list. Uh, then you should still you're able to complete it. Do one thing. We are working on account, right? In the object manager, how come you don't have it? Feel a relationship, search for rating. You have it. And look, it's rating only. It's a default one. It is not even the customized object, the field. It's a default field. How it's not there? It doesn't work. Okay. Go to your account object, field and relationship, check out. It's a default field. Come on. How it will not there? I'm in the account right now, field and relationship, search for rating. You have it or no? If you have it here, then it should come for your account page also in the field. No, no rating field. You are in account only. Oh, okay. In which challenge you have done? Like I have not done that challenge. I think so. That was the homework or something like that, assignment for you all. So that might be the reason that you have completed the assignments and you don't have it now. Okay, just rename it back. Come on, go inside it. Prospect rating. But the API name will be rating only now. It should not give you the issue. If you even change, okay, wait. What do you have it here? The API name. It should not impact this thing because the API name will be ratings only. And it's a pick list. Yeah, API name must be the rating only. And as it just updated the name, so it is going to be the pick list only. It is not going to be your this thing, what we say. The data type also changes for you all. What about the data type? Data type must be pick list only. Pick list, correct. So how come you don't have the value there? Go inside it, come on. Go inside it, edit it back, change its name back to the, you were not getting that option. Cancel. Wait a minute. Change its name back to the rating and check out its list item. What are the items does it have? Does it have hot? We need hot there first. Only thing. Click on the three dot or replace. Nope, nope, nope. Go down here. Do you have hot there? The four options are there in the pick list. Hot, warm, cold, or what? Hot is there. So just select the prospect rating only and choose hot there. It will work for you because it checks the API name. It will not check your label name. Select prospect rating and select hot. If you don't have hot, then please edit it, add a new one item here and add the value as HOTH capital hot. Okay. If you don't have hot, then add the hot option and then just hello. Yeah, I'm audible. Fine. We cannot find rich text component on the new account page with the expected hot account text. Again, Mr. Akul, either it's taking long time for you to update or else you have done some mistake with adding HOT account. Everything should be uppercase. Don't miss to save it and check it. Those who are having prospect rating, then also it's fine. The API name is still rating and you are still having the hot option there. Apply the filter. It checks for the API name. Done? Okay. Let's check out how does it work. It works really well, actually. And oh my God, we have two more to work around. Fine. Let me show you quickly. In the accounts, if I go to the any of the, right now it is not showing that hot account. Now I'll go to details. I set the rating here to hot save. It's not coming. Hot account. Yeah, it's coming. So this is how it works actually. I set the rating to hot. The text box appeared here, hot account. We added 4 tabs, related, details, activity, more information. All the tabs are coming for us. So it's working pretty much well so far. I'll change the details rating to the warm, save, boom, not visible. So it's working for us. Okay. Let's complete the next 2 challenges. Now we have to make the home page, app home. We have done this app one earlier as well, where we are trying to create single page app. For the travel one, we have done it, I think, so if I'm not wrong. So you'll be making your own app and then assigning it, and even you will be selecting in the navigation menu of the cell phone where it will come. It will come top, down, where. So this was already done in the previous session, but let me do it. In the interest of time, I'll go a little fast because it's already done. So I'm just repeating it here. So we have to make the app page. The name is My Data. Okay, let's give a try. I'll make a new page now. Click on Pages, New Page. It's an app page. Label is My Data. Next, one region page, we are trying to make it here. So it should be one region only. Done. Check out the label, my data, perfect. API name, my data, absolutely right. No need to worry. Now what we have to do here, simply in the recent item, add the recent item standard component. The label should be recent items, account, contact, and lead. Fine. So this page is mainly, this application is mainly to show the recent items. Whatever the recent item I have access in account, contact, and lead. Okay. So I added the recent item here. It is giving me some random label. I don't want this thing to be there. I'll add the label, recent items, copy and paste it. Don't type it. Here you have the objects. It will show me these objects, recent items. So it's API anomaly event store right now. We are not interested in it. Select here, click on API anomaly, keep it back. Not interested. Account, yes. Contact lead, yes, fine. C for contact, add L lead, added. Account should be the first. Order is important here. Account should be the first, second should be the contact, third should be the lead. So I said in this recent item app, I want to show the recent item, whatever the user have visited in these three objects. Simply, I'll say okay. And it will show me around 3 records. So the first 3 records for the account, whatever I have visited, or the contacts and the leads. Okay, it's something like that. The last one is activate the account for all the user and add the app to the mobile navigation menu. So let's activate it. First, on the right top, we will save it. Save. Activate it for all the user. No need to change it. The app icon is already coming here like this. It will come like this. We are okay with it. The name is my data. Fine. Mobile navigation. Add page to the app. Yes. And here it is coming, my data. Okay, you can keep it up, down, wherever you want it to be there. It's fine. So I said after today, I want my data app should be there in the mobile navigation. Save it. Done. Activate it successfully. Check for challenge. You will get the points. So it's a single page app that will help the user to check out their recent activity across different objects. This is what the main purpose of this application. No, you will not get a badge. You have one more thing left. Work with the custom lighting components. Right now, here you can see we are working with the standard ones only. All the standard ones we are doing, we have the custom managed also, but we never use the custom ones. Now you're going to understood how you can add a custom component and how you can use them. Okay, adding and using, both the things. So we have to first install it, add it, definitely. So let's do it. To easily organize the access your important contacts, create a Lightning app that use a custom contact. So yeah, the previous challenge is dependent. You have to install a package, copy the package ID. Do you all remember in the very first class, we have installed the Dreamhouse package? Where should we go to install a package? Anybody? Remember that thing? Which tab helps us to install a package? Uh-huh. No, no, no. Okay. In the app menu, what should I search for? Playground starter. Correct, correct, correct. So search for your 9 dots app launcher. Search for playground starter. So the starter, it's like a welcome page which comes by default when you launch your playground for the very first time. It is showing your name, it will show your credentials also. You have to get your login credentials option as well. Okay. So this is my ID, this is what I'm using and everything. But we are interested to install a package. What they're asking. They just said install a package. They have not mentioned for whom, for what purpose, or for why. Fine. Paste the link, paste the code. ID always starts with 04T. Okay? Prefix will be always same. If you're getting something else here, that means your ID is wrong. Simple. Install. Leave the default settings. Don't do anything. Install for all admins only. Next, wait it for, it will get installed. Leave the default settings. Okay. Keep the default one selected, Mr. Akun. We are not changing anything. It's for all, right? Or for admin, whatever is there. Default. Go for default. They have not mentioned it in the challenge, so we will not add anything from our end. Install completed. Okay. Let's go back to your lightning page, refresh it where you're working on my data. Okay, just refresh it. Search for what we install right now, context today. You should get it here. If it's installed successfully, refresh your page. Don't miss to refresh the page. After refreshing, search for context today in the components. You will get it under the custom. Drag it, drop it here, top, bottom, wherever you want to keep it, it's fine. Save it and check your challenge. You will get the points. Search for context today. You will get it under the custom one because you added it from the third party, like we install the package. Drag it, drop it. I place it at the top. Save it. Save, save, save. So we created a new app called My Data. You all are able to get it. If it is not, just refresh your page. It will come. Save. This time you will get a shiny patch. Okay. My data. Yeah, you can go to app launcher, search for my data. It's coming for me. So recent items are coming, like this is the first one which I have accessed, the Gen Point and the Burlington Textile. All the three things are coming. The recent things are coming. Important context for today. These contexts are related to event tasks or cases you won. Okay, I didn't want anything. So you should be able to get a new app in your app launcher with the selected logo. The name is My Data. it will show the recent items for you. You all are able to access your app which you created right now, a newly created app from the scratch. Yes? Okay, lovely. So this is all about the Lightning App Builder, where you can create the apps, homepage, or record page. You can apply the filters, and even you can set to whom it should be visible and everything. Okay, I'm sharing quickly with you all the schedule. The very next class we have it on 3rd. You all can see my screen. This is the schedule for the cohort 1. I got this question at the beginning. Somebody asked me when we have the next session or till when this cohort will be there. So this cohort will be there till 2nd of September. Sorry, December. So we are done already with the first 5 sessions. The next session will be there on the 3rd of October. Okay, on Thursday. Timing will be same for all the days. Going forward, in a week, we'll be having only one session. Like as you can see, week 4, one session, week 5, one session. So that you get enough time to work around your assignments. Okay? Clear for everyone? The today's assignment, which I want you all to work around, it's, let me just quickly show you what's your today's assignment. Um, um, Screen flows is something which you all have to do. Like last class, you all must have worked on a different one. Yep. So we have successfully completed your guide to trial head, basics, lightning experience, data modeling, pick list, duplicate management, customize a Salesforce object, data model for travel, formulas and validation. We just skipped these 2 modules, and next class we are going to discuss about these mainly. Next class is a doubt solving session on Thursday. You can come up with your queries. Okay. So this is what we'll be mainly focusing on because you all have the queries for these 2 modules. Flow builder basics and the build a simple flow was the assignment for the previous class. And for today's session, you have the assignment called screen flows. That is for 2100 points. 4 challenges plus 1 MCQ, basically. Okay. YouTube, yeah, please go to the Future Skills Prime page. You will get it there, all the recording. The criteria for the attendance is like you need to be there present in the session. Simple. It depends from with respect to the duration, how long you're staying in the session. Okay, with your registered email address. This is what the assignment for the next class. And the next class is doubt solving session where we'll discuss about we'll take your doubts, queries, and we'll try to solve it, whatever you have done so far. Okay. So, okay, fine. So I'm just ending the session over here. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day ahead or good night.
Thank you, Sabha. Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.
And see you in the next session.
Yep.
Till then, take care.
Bye, everyone. Take care.